He did the Monster Mash.
The Monster Mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the Monster Mash. To my love Natari in the castle east, to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt from my electrode.
They did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of shadows.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner, man, hiding in the trash can, something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream.
This is Halloween, red and black,
And slimy green.
aren't you scared?
Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice. Take a chance or roll the dice. Fly to the moon in the dead of night.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream!
In our town.
I can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room.
Dollar Tree DIY Halloween decor. Total cost $5. Follow for more DIY Dollar Tree crafts.
I have one thing to say. You better work, bitch.
Y'all ready for some fun, easy fall crafts?
Well.
Let's make a candelabra. Cut off the bottoms. Cut off one top. Carve a hole into pumpkins. Remove the LED lights. Assemble with hot glue. Spray paint the glass and pumpkins. Attach string lights. Assemble glass and pumpkins. Using metallic acrylic paint, brush over pumpkins. And you're done!
If you go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic.
Here we go. I sprayed Flex Seal in each of our cauldrons as I stacked them. I did get this comment to spread them out. My husband actually gave me the same suggestion, so this is the angle we ended up with. I do want these to hold water, so that's why I'm spraying them with Flex Seal on the inside. I went around them with our spray foam. My suggestion with this, it is expanding gap filler, so it does expand and gets bigger. So start small. You can always add on more. As you can see, it kind of fell off in some areas. It sticks very well to itself, so you just have to wait for it to dry and then add a little more, wait for it to dry again, add some more, and just keep adding until you have the look you're going for. I did cover the poles so it would look like each cauldron is pouring into the next. And this is basically what we ended up with. It takes a while for this stuff to dry, so I'll try to get it painted this evening.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these magical shimmery potions. To start, you're going to need a glass bottle that has a cork. I found these in the dollar section of Target, but you can also find ones like these at Michael's for $2 each. The first step is to add water to a container that you can shake. For this one, we're going to begin with green food coloring, add a couple of drops and stir it all together, and then you're going to need this luster dust powder that you can find in the baking section of any craft store. Keep adding the luster dust and shaking it until you reach your desired shimmery look. Once you're happy, you're going to use a funnel to add the liquidy mixture to a glass bottle, and this is what it should look like when you're done. For the second one, let's use purple food coloring. So add it in just like the first time and shake it up. What's great about this craft is everything is food safe, so it's a perfect one to do with kids. Once you've reached the shimmery magic you like, again, add it to your glass and put on the cork, and that is how you make shimmery potions.